Hello, my friends. How are you? Today we are going to play a fun game. Are you ready? Great, let's go. Focus, my friends, and listen closely. What is this sound? Well done. It's the sound of an alarm. Let's listen to another sound, my friends. What is this sound? Focus. Well done. It's the sound of a wood saw. Another sound. Focus. What is this sound? Great, it's the sound of clock hands. What is this sound? Yes, it's the sound of a guitar. You are great, my friends. Have you noticed, my friends, that sound exists everywhere around us, but have you ever wondered how sound is produced? Look at the alarm clock, the wood saw, the wall clock, the guitar. Notice how the movement of these parts produces sound. This means that sound, my friends, is produced as a result of the vibration of the body. Vibration is the movement of the body back and forth. But how is sound transmitted, my friends? Notice, my friends, that sound transmitted through the air every time. This means that sound transmits through air. But can sound transmit through other materials as well? Let's see. Try to stand behind a door. Do you hear a sound? Yes, it's the sound of a hammer. Now, stand behind this wall. Do you hear a sound? Yes, it's the sound of a dog barking. Have you noticed, my friends, that sound transmitted through the wood and the wall? This means that sound transmits through solid materials. Now look at these fish. Oh, it seems like the sound of the ship scared them away. And here also notice, my friends, that the diver heard the sound of the calling. So we can conclude, my friends, that sound transmits through liquid materials as well. We learned how sound is produced, that vibration is the movement of the body back and forth, and that sound transmits through air, solid materials, and liquid materials.